When it comes to CTA, you must make sure that the comment you are actually asking for must have a right question to so that people can answer, and you should ask some opinion or suggestions to them. So then you will get a lot of comments, and people can definitely put their suggestions in the comment box, right? So this way it will be having a CTA. Now moving ahead, we need a post to have hashtags as well, and hashtags are for visibility. Now, how many hashtags you should use? You should not use more than 6 hashtags. You can use in between 3 to 6 hashtags on a LinkedIn profile. Sorry, LinkedIn post. Now, when you are using hashtags, you should make sure that you are using hashtags which has large amount of following. For example, if you are sharing about digital marketing, pick the hashtag that has more than lakhs of followers. Okay, and create one brand hashtag for you, so then it will increase more reach on your post. Again, now going to the formatting part, as I told you earlier, that your post should look neat and clean. Keep the spaces, keep the emojis, so then it looks really good, and good formatting can give life to your post. Now moving ahead, I want you to have a connection. Sorry. Now with that, I want you to have right content strategy. So content strategy is going to play a big role when it comes to drive leads and gain more job opportunities, and so on. So let's dive in. So the first thing first, hit the content cycle. Now what is the content cycle? First you need to understand that what exactly happening and people are talking about in your industry, in your niche. So what you're going to do is research. Do research, analyze that what all you can do. For example, your competitors are sharing ABC type of content, then what unique you can do in this, right? Then take notes. Third thing is you need to make notes, write down what other people are doing and what ideas you can add in. So whenever you do research, you analyze, no, you will get ideas automatically. So then make notes, have a pen paper with you immediately to write down those notes. Then the fourth point is think. Now, when you have written down everything, you need to think more. You need to brainstorm that how well you can do, more creativity, how you can add more innovation, how you can contribute. Okay. Now, the fifth part is write down. When you get idea, when you brainstorm, you'll get some suggestions in your mind by self. So, what you need to do is you need to write down that content outlines, and when you write it up, check the need of it, and check out whether your target audience would need that particular content. Once you check, you are done. Now you start writing content, and you are just a few steps away to start posting content. Now this is the one part of content strategy. What all you need to do is put relation between your content and connections. So connections would be your target audience. So these are the first people who will read your post. You need to make sure that you are sharing content that is worth sharing for your connections. Then only they'll stay connected, they'll like your post, they'll comment on your post, and that's what is really important for you. Now plan your content in advance. This is very much necessary. If you don't plan your content in advance, then you might miss out a lot of opportunities. So make sure that you have a right content strategy, and that content you plan in advance for at least 1 week. Then only you are going to win the game. Okay.